videos I'm gonna try to speak only the Spanish language because this is my purpose, to teach you Spanish. Okay, so I am Raquel, I'm 27 years old and I am a primary teacher in Spain. Also, I have the master's degree of teaching Spanish as a foreign language. So, through these videos, okay, firstly, sorry if I make some mistakes in English as it's not my mother tongue, and also sorry if I'm a bit embarrassed because this is my first video in YouTube. Okay, so through these videos, I'm gonna try to teach you different ways of grammar, vocabulary, daily lifestyle in a contextualized and the most important thing, in a funny way. So if you want, you can subscribe to my channel or either on my Gmail. Okay, so I think that is a good opportunity if you want to join me because you are gonna learn a lot of Spanish in a funny way. So come on!